Hi guys, today I will explain how to open a store in Temu. So let's get started. First of all, go to Temu. Once you are on the home page of Temu, scroll down to the end and here in the help category, you can find the option of partner with Temu. Once you see, click on it. And here we have the option of for merchandise partners, and down below to this option you can find an email. So just simply email them over here and just provide that the store name and the product you are going to sell, an introduction about your store, and after that Timu will reach out to you after a couple of days on how you can proceed by creating your store. And as you can see, we have here the term of code of conduct, which is the guideline or rule of having store on Temu. And you have to follow these guidelines. And it was the way by which you can create a store in Temu.